Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss about a very common problem that is found in the entity framework core, which is the N+1 query problem. And this is a must-know topic for any serious ASP.NET Core and EF Core developers. And it silently destroy your application performance in a production if it is unnoticed. So we will discuss that like what is the N+1 problem and like how to fix it via the in this code as well. Okay, so let me show you that project structure that what I am exactly created for it. Okay, so this is the orders controller, and you can see that I have created the orders API. Thereafter, we have some like we have the DB context and we have some DTOs. Okay, so like there are a very basic things that you already know it about it. Okay, or the orders model. Thereafter, we have the orders item. Okay, or if I show you the data in the orders tables, so let me show you that like what are the things we have in this table, in these tables. Okay, so orders item, we have two tables. Or if I execute these queries of the basic structure of the uh, data, like you will see that in the orders table we have the IDs and the customer's name. Thereafter, in the orders item table we have the order ID, product name, prices, and what are the order IDs. Okay, so this is a very fundamental, a very basic project that I have created for it. Okay, so let's see that what is the N+1 problem. Okay, so first you should know like what is the N+1 problem. Okay, so if I explain you about the N+1 problem, so the first thing is like so N is denoting get all the list. Okay, thereafter, if I thereafter plus one means you runs you runs like one query to load parent entities. That's it. Okay, so this is I call it as a N+1 problem. Okay, or now let's discuss about like what exactly I am trying in this API. Okay, so first you will see that first I am trying to get all the order list of orders. Thereafter, like what the thing exactly I'm doing here, I am just running a for each loop, or thereafter I am trying to extract the data from the orders item. So you will see that it is it is a very common thing. Okay, or it should work fine. But whenever I will run this API, so you will see like I will get an error. Okay, cycle development kind of error. So it is because of the N+1 query problem, or it will kills performance in the production mode as well. So let me show you that how to work with the N+1 problem. Okay, or if I tell you about the examples regarding, like if suppose I got 100 records from the orders table. Okay, thereafter I will try to get the orders item item from the 100 records again, like per order. So like the total query that I will execute is like 101. So like it is not a good practice like whenever you working with the entity framework core. Okay, or if I show you the things uh, let me run this API for you, so that you will get a very basic understanding about this thing. So if I send the request, thereafter I will get the error as well. Okay, or here thereafter you will see what the mistakes we are doing here, so that you will get to know about the things as well. Or it is or like it like you should know the things about very well about the N+1 problem. Or and most of the times like developer always skips this problem as well. Okay, so you will see that like we got an exception 500. It is exactly telling me that let me down it is down here. So you will see the exception is like a possible object cycle was detected, and this can either a due to cycle or like let me copy this error for you. Or now let's move to the notepad. So I will explain you that how the things is working. So you will see that a possible object cycle was detected. This can either be due to a cycle, or if object depth is larger than the maximum allowed depth is 32. So like consider using the performance. So you will see that first what we are trying to here. First we got the items, thereafter like we got the orders. So again we are trying to get the items and orders. So this is this is because of the like N+1 problem, and it should be rectify as soon as possible. Okay, so let me show you that how we can fix it. Okay, and what is the best approach to make it the things should work. Okay, so guys, if you love this guys, if you are watching this video for the first time on our YouTube channel, so guys I just want to request you that please subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that you will definitely gain lot of knowledge from our YouTube channel. Okay, so now let's discuss and now let's move to the exit code that we can run with the without like no any N+1 problem. Okay, so first let me stop this application. So first what I am trying to here. Okay, I will just I will just write a very basic and the performance wise code. Okay, so that you can no face any issues. So first I am trying to as a as no tracking. Thereafter I am just trying to select all the what the columns that I want to get from get in the list. Okay, or thereafter I have created the DTO as well. So simply I will just create the orders DTO. Or thereafter what the exact thing that I'm drawing here. First I will assign the ID value. So the ID of the order is ID. Thereafter the customer name that I'm trying to here, the customer equals to customer name, or items equals to. So thereafter how to access the items as well in this single query. So the first is first o dot items dot select. Thereafter I will initialize a new variable. Okay, so so for the orders item DTO, thereafter I have to define the things like what the things I want to I want here. Okay, so the first is price equals to I dot price. Okay, thereafter if I product name equals to I dot product name. Okay, so this is a very common thing that that you need to understand about the N+1 query problem. Okay, or if I just first you should know in this way you can write the queries, or just you have to return with the OK status, and just we are just uh, exiting the things. Okay, so let me explain you the things like what exactly I am trying here. Okay, so earlier you see that first we got the orders record. Thereafter we are running the loops in the orders item. Okay, but here the problem was we are just doing cycling with orders and orders item table. Okay, so this can make a trouble in your applications as well. Okay, so in this scenario what we are exactly trying to here. So this is a very one of the best version of the to resolve the N+1 query problem. So you will see that first we are trying to access the orders, and first that thereafter we are just selecting the data from the orders table. First the orders is ID and customer name. Thereafter we have the third point as the items. Okay, so the items is a list of order item details. Okay, thereafter we just we are just trying to get the data from the like items. Okay, thereafter like you will see that orders item DTO, thereafter like we are just like adding the prices as well. So like this is a very common and the one of the fundamental thing that you should know about the things, like how the things should work as well. So if I run this application also, we can test it as well, and we will see like everything is working fine or not. So let's wait for run this application. So that now let's move to the http file. Where is the http file is? So this is the http file. Now let's run. Now let's send the request. Thereafter like you will see that we will get the JSON result of the orders and with the orders items as well. Or thereafter, or here we can see that like we have resolved the N+1 query problem. And this is a very best practice that you should know, and that you should always like follow in your EF core queries. And please try to avoid the things like that we have do earlier in this video. So you will see that we are getting the results. Or if I go through the results, like first we got the results from the orders table. Thereafter like we got the items from the product name, prices, like the this person have the three orders item, or Amit Sharma has the like two orders item, Neha Verma is two orders item, and Priya Singh is it has she has a one order item. Okay, so here you will see that how the things should work with the like entity framework core. Okay, and this is the one of the best practice that you should know, that you should follow about the N+1 query problem. Okay, so you will see that first we are just selecting the columns that that we need. Okay, so thereafter like I just put the things, or there, so you will see that how the things should work, and how the things are similar to each other. So I just hope you love this video, you love this content. So guys, I just want to request that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues on it as well. Or guys, there is a one thing that I want to tell you, like nowadays like we are not getting like that much subscribers that we, so like this is a very so like we are delivering you one of the best content for the .NET. Okay, but still like around 85% of the viewers, or like they haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, so guys, just I just want to request you, please subscribe our YouTube channel and be the part of our family. Because like in this year, like we want to grow more and more, and we want to build a strong .NET community as well. Okay, so right now we have the 772 subscribers. So I just want to request, if someone haven't subscribed the channel, so like just subscribe. And guys, if you want a video on any specific topics, just do let me know in the comment section of this video, so that I will definitely consider it as well. Or guys, like I am getting a lot of emails regarding like, sir, we want one-to-one mentorship from you. So guys, don't worry, I have just bring the platform for you, where like you can you can get the one-to-one mentorship from me. Okay, so I just want to inform you guys, like we have started the one-to-one mentorship on the topmed.io. So just you have to like book your session on this platform, or like I will and just you have to book your slots. Oh guys, there is a one important thing, like there is limited slots are available. So like do like be early, or like early so this is the early bird access that you will see here. Okay, and we have the discount coupon is available while you are booking with our session as well. Okay, so you will get the 10% discount. Okay, so just you have to find your coupon while you are booking this session as well. Okay, so like we have the like priority DM as well. Or like if you don't want to get one-to-one mentorship on a video call, so just you can ask me on the chats as well. Okay, along with that you will see the, like if you want the video based one-to-one career mentorship, we have the three slots, like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and 60 minutes as well. And guys, there is like a special offer that I have bring for the students. Like in the 1349 100 rupees, you will see that like we have given the discount to the students. Okay, so if you are the students, just you have to show your ID, student ID. Thereafter, like we can continue with you as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and till then, take care guys. Bye bye, have a good day.